Welcome to my channel. My name is Keye Moshid Adini. I'm a graphic designer, a lead generation expert, and an affiliate marketer. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the process of boosting any social media account of your choice. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you have to open any browser of your choice and type in the name of the site we will be making use of. So don't worry, I'll be putting the site link in the description below so that you can have easy access to the site without any stress. So if this is your first time of coming on board, so you just have to open an account with this platform by signing up. So to sign up, all you just have to do is scroll down and click on the sign up button down here. So you click on the sign up button. So all you just have to do is click on the sign up button down here, and once you click on it, it will direct you to the sign up page where you will have access to register. So there is a sign up page where you have access to input your details such as your username, your first name, your last name, email address, WhatsApp calling number. You type your password twice and ensure you click on I'm not a robot. You check that place and you check the second place that you've agreed to the terms and conditions, then you click on sign up. So after a successful completion of your account creation, so you then input your sign-in details to have access to your dashboard. So here is where you input the details you just registered with. So once you've done that, you click on the sign in to have access to the main account dashboard where you'll be processing the order. So here we have three bars, like three spaces stuff on the dashboard that says the account balance, the total order, and the account status. So here are the three main things. So the account balance is where your money will reflect after funding your wallet, because you have to pay to fund your wallet. So to fund your wallet, what you just have to do first is to click on this the three bar on the right hand corner, and you will see the add fund option there. So that follows it, you can see the add funds. So you click on the add funds. That is how to add money into your wallet. So once you click on it, you see the first option is Flutter Waves. It has a lot of options there, but you go for that Flutter Waves and you input the amount as minimum of 100 naira. So let's say you want to fund our account with 1,000 naira. So you click on pay after inputting the exact amount you want to fund your wallet with. So you allow it to load. So once it's loaded, you input your card details in here, but in this absence of you not having a bank card that you can use to process your online transaction, so you can go for at the option of, like, you change the payment method, so you can fund your wallet using another payment method. So once you click on it, this is what it will bring. So you can make use of a USSD, which is the code, bank or bank transfer. Let's take for instance that we choose bank transfer. So once you choose on bank transfer, this is how it will load. It will give you an account number that you will use to pay the money. You can see the account number, and this account number is specifically for this transaction, so you cannot use it for another transaction. So you just have to copy it, go to your bank app and transfer the exact money you said you want to do. So you cannot go to your bank app and go and transfer 2,000 naira. So it is exact amount that you do. So once you've completed the stuff, like the transaction, you come back to click on I have made the transaction. So once you've done that, just go back to the main dashboard. So immediately you go back there, you go back to your main dashboard, and that is where your money will be reflected. So your money will also reflect in that account balance that you saw earlier. So here is where your money will reflect it. So once you've already funded your account, the next thing you just have to do is you come to the service area, this category area, to place your order. So this new order area is where you are coming to place your order. So the category and the service is where you state specifically what you want this platform to do for you, while the description aspect of it is where the site will give you the full details of what the transaction, like the order you place, is all about. So they will be the one to tell you if it will drop, the number of hours it will take them to deliver. So let's take for instance that you want to select a particular service. So you click on the service. We have varieties of services here. So you have the Instagram, lot of services. If it is like that you want to buy, if it is followers, if it is comment, anything, both for YouTube, Twitter, now known as X, WhatsApp service, everything. So even TikTok followers, all social media accounts. So let's take for instance that okay, we click on WhatsApp, so that like we want to fill a WhatsApp group. So first thing you have to do is you get the link of that site or of the platform that you want to. So once you get the link, ensure you put in it, and once you've done that, you check the category of the like your amount and what you want them to deliver for you. If it is followers, like you want a group field, if it is about likes, if it's about comments, if it's about emoji, whatever you want them to deliver. So just check it, and you can see in the description below it tells you that okay, no drop. It means that it will not drop. So that link option is where you input the link, the quantity, like the number of followers you want them to deliver for you, and you can see it says from minimum of 150 to maximum of 1000. So you cannot go beyond 1000. So you can ask for 500, and the amount they will be charging, so that is the exact place where you'll be seeing it. So as you can see, this is how it goes, and once you've confirmed the link, you've input the amount, just click on the submit button and the order will start showing up at your end. Just ensure you don't change the link while the order is going on. So if you find this video valuable, kindly click on the subscribe button, share, like and comment so it can reach a wider audience, so people can also learn from this, and you can now start doing this for yourself or for your friend and start charging them a certain amount for it, having known what it will cost if you want to do a particular service for them. I remain myself, Kele Moshood Adeniyi. See you in the next training. Bye.